Sunday morning, Thanksgiving in Kelowna, and 25 silent protesters stand in front of Patton Farms in Kelowna, a turkey producer. It's a protest by vegan activists, local vegan activists in Kelowna, led by Amy Serrano.
Today, a group of concerned citizens in Kelowna have come together to highlight the dangers associated with opening Patton Farms and Slaughterhouse in Kelowna. Turkey farms are huge air and water polluters, which often make nearby residents sick. And studies have shown that violent crime rates almost always skyrocket whenever slaughterhouses open. And the largest outbreaks of COVID-19 in Canada have been at slaughterhouses and within BC, particularly at bird facilities. So places like Patton are major contaminators. They're breeding grounds for infectious disease and violence.
Really? You want to destroy our business?
Well, that's what I was going to ask you. How does it feel when you see a placard that says, shut down Patton?
Yeah, it's offensive. It's like you care more about this ideology, which you haven't even tested. It's a generalization. You haven't looked at a specific of the people's lives that you're affecting. And this is part of farming: is you raise animals, you raise them and protect them and keep them safe, and but you ultimately eat them. That's the purpose of their life, is for food.
You sound proud of what you do.
We are proud of what we do. Your intention is to destroy Patton Farms.
Not destroy, we're encouraging you to transition to a more sustainable, safer, and better
Okay, what does that say?
Turkeys are killed at 4
No,
to 6
above
months
it.
old. Shut down Patton.
That sounds personal. I'm Patton. Shut down Patton. That sounds personal.
We would like our turkey logo. We want all turkey production to be transitioned to a plant-based food system for our community, because that's better for all of us. I understand how she's saying that, but her business is called Patton Turkey Farm and Slaughterhouse. I understand how that would feel like a personal attack if people show up outside of her business and her name is associated with that. However, this isn't a personal attack on them.
This is Thanksgiving weekend, a time when people get together and quite often try to keep their political divisions apart and just love one another across the table. Isn't it one of those times when maybe the vegan member of the family doesn't start that argument?
Yeah, we're not trying to start any sort of vegan argument. What we're trying to highlight today is that Patton Turkey Farm and Slaughterhouse will negatively impact Kelowna.
Now, they're referring to this as the Shut Down Patton campaign, suggesting that today's protest isn't the end of it. For Kelowna Now, this is Kent Mulgat reporting.